Sophie. It's drawing time! What is this? It's a grape, or, well, grapes. And today, I'm going to teach my mom how to draw some grapes. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. First, let's draw the stem of our grape. At the top of the stem, we're going to draw a small curve.
Okay.
Maybe like a little longer, like a little curve.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's start on the left side.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's draw a straight line.
Okay.
Like that.
Straight line.
Mm-hmm. And then the other side, we're going to do the same thing.
Okay.
And then here, we're going to connect it with a small curve.
Ooh. Okay.
There, perfect.
Thank you.
It has sharp edges right here, but that's okay. Let's draw the leaves. Okay, let's start here, and let's draw a small point, like a sort of like what you see on regular leaves, like that. And then let's draw a curve line going to this side. Maybe I'll make mine a little longer. A curve line that about matches right here.
Okay.
Okay. And then draw another line shooting out. And then connect it to this line. Let's add some like the lines in the leaf.
Oh, okay.
Start here, and then I'm going to draw a line like that. And then another one like shooting out like that. Perfect! You're great at drawing leaves.
Thanks.
And then here, we're doing the same thing. Try to make it as long and as pointy as the other one.
This size difficult.
Yeah, sort of. But just repeat the same steps, only going in the opposite direction as this one.
Okay. Should we connect together?
Yep. There. And let's draw the same line we did on this one.
Oh.
It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Now we can draw our first grape.
Ooh.
Let's start here and draw a little curve like that, a big ol' U. Let's draw a tiny little face on it.
Okay.
Let's draw a slightly curved line here. A slightly curved line here. Isn't it adorable?
Yeah.
There. But of course, you can add any expression your grape has.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I don't have to do the exactly same.
Yes. And in here, I'm going to draw another grape.
Okay.
I think I'm just going to make it a neutral expression on his face. So not very happy, not sad or mad. Just draw two little dots. But if you want to make it extremely sad or happy or mad, it's okay. There. I'm going to round up my little eyes a bit. Let's draw the bottom layer of the grapes. So starting from here, I'm going to draw a curved line going into this grape. I'm going to make it a little surprised or scared. I'm just going to draw a big an oval with a little dot in between.
I want to make something different. Big eyes and then like this.
Like it's looking the other direction. Okay. That's a nice little face.
Okay.
And then here, I'm going to draw another curved line here.
Okay.
Sort of like a little tilted C. Oh, I know what face it should make. Like extremely happy. Like that.
I like that one too.
Yeah. You have great ideas, Mom. Let's draw another grape sticking out. Right here. Like, sort of sticking out here under the bunch. Let's do a small face. Like that.
Oh.
Like it's winking. And I'm very happy, so it isn't exactly winking.
Okay.
So let's draw another grape, starting from here. Let's draw another.
That's a big one.
Yeah, you can draw your grapes big or small. I'm gonna make it a sad face.
Oh.
Make it a little curve like that, and a little curve like that.
Oh.
Poor grape. Maybe it's worried it's gonna be eaten. And then here, I'm going to draw a curve like that.
Okay. Oh.
I love grapes.
Me too.
Let's make it an extra cute face. Let's draw a little curve, like a little circle right here. A little circle right here. A little highlights right here. And I'm going to make it a giant little cutie.
I want to do it different like this.
Okay. Let's draw the bottom one. Right here, we're just going to draw a curve line like that.
Okay.
But unlike the others, these open lines, like circles or squints, I'm actually going to make this like that, and that. But
I'm going to use another one.
right here, I'm going to draw like this and like that. There. Next, we should draw a vine curling out from the top of just loop-de-loops.
Oh, okay. That seems easy.
As easy can be.
Can we add one more here? Because mine looks very weird.
You can add one more.
Okay, I'm going to add here. Just keep this here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
There.
Looking.
Yes, it looks great. Now we're finished drawing our grapes. Now it's time to color our whole grapes.
Fun.
Since my favorite kind of grapes is the purple kinds, I'm going to color my grapes purple, and the leaves I'm going to color green, of course.
Okay.
But Mom, feel free to color your grapes any color you choose. Well, what kind of colors grapes have. Okay. What's your favorite kind of grape?
Green. Green grapes.
So you're going to color it green?
That's a good idea.
Also, make sure when you're coloring, you can darken the spot where it touches the leaves for these two. And always remember, for every grape, darken the spot where it meets the other grapes.
Oh,
and especially darken this one. This one is, well, on the very bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Now, let's start with the leaves and the stem.
Okay.
Okay. The stem. So easy to color. There. But I'm going to make sure there are no white spots.
Okay.
We finished coloring our grapes. Mom, I like your green grapes.
Oh, thank you.
I also like that you added some different faces to my faces. It's nice to look at and listen to other people's ideas, but it's always nice to come up with your own ideas.
That's true.
I like this one because I love the face. It's like closing its eyes and saying, I'm sleeping, so don't even bother me. Both my mom and I finished drawing our grapes. This is how they turned out. Don't they look delicious? Who can say no to these delicious grapes? How did your pictures turn out? I bet they look delicious. Hi, Mom. This delicious grape talk is making me hungry. Can I have some grapes now?
Here you go.
Oh, thanks. These are delicious. Bye!